Imagine waking up to a world where robots have taken over most jobs. It's not science fiction. It's a reality that experts are debating every day. Will artificial intelligence replace jobs, or will it create new opportunities? Let's explore the truth behind this pressing question. The fear of machines replacing humans isn't new. It started in the Industrial Revolution when textile machines replaced weavers. Fast forward to today, and artificial intelligence is taking automation to the next level. Unlike traditional machines, AI can think, adapt, and learn. Experts agree that some jobs are more vulnerable to AI than others. Routine, repetitive roles like data entry, customer support, and even delivery services are already seeing AI replacements. Oxford researchers predict that nearly 47% of jobs in the United States are at risk of automation in the next 20 years. But it's not all bad news. While AI may replace some jobs, it's also creating entirely new fields. Think about AI trainers, machine learning engineers, and ethics consultants. The World Economic Forum estimates that AI will create 97 million new jobs by 2025. The challenge is preparing for them. But what do the experts think? According to Dr. Kai-Fu Lee, AI will replace jobs that rely on repetitive tasks but augment creative and interpersonal roles. Meanwhile, futurist Ray Kurzweil predicts a collaboration between humans and machines. AI won't replace jobs. People using AI will replace people not using AI. Said by Dr. Andrew Ng. So, how can you stay ahead in this AI-driven world? Experts suggest focusing on skills that machines can't easily replicate, like creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. As AI grows, ethical concerns are also rising. Companies must balance efficiency with fairness, ensuring that no one is left behind. The future of work isn't about AI replacing humans. It's about humans working with AI. The question is, are you ready for the transformation? What do you think? Will AI take over jobs or create new opportunities? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the AI revolution.